Olokoro, they hear me whine. I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station. Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this na the ogbonge program when we say all other politic discussion show, the cut cap give as in the heart. Every Monday go reach Friday from 10 to 11 don't turn to Christmas. Because on top of us the hot, we they carry the thing come, the sunshine, you serve the call to chukma for inside the matter so that those when the thing concern go take the necessary action. My name na Ezo Gochokwote. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as stay concerned politic matter as idiot.
Yes, and the day now Friday, and then at the last day of the week, and now also now the last time as the day hot for this week. And where we go do it, where we go give now Chukudi. If I go borrow the words of Chukudi, they are sequel. That is, we go sum up everything we will talk about this week. Try and turn at least for those of now we miss out during the week. Now if you follow up, know it's now waiting. We talk from Monday till today will be Friday. The program now as it is hot, and my name still be Nkubi.
As usual, every Monday, we dey tear the nylon come out on top of all the action tori wey happen inside Nigeria for the weekend. That is the political arrangement. So that Monday, when we 3rd of August, we discuss some very important tori dem wey happen inside Obodo, Nigeria. But the one we can settle on top get to do with the invitation when we say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, that is the joint body when we say they chook eye inside people when we say they spend government money when belong to all of us, whether they spend them well or then chop them, then send letter go give a judge when they for the Osun State Judiciary. Her name na Justice Folaomi Oloyede. This now because of say on the 19th of June, Justice Folaomi Oloyede carry A4 paper with black biro, write letter when she send go the Osun State House of Assembly, telling them saying, based on her own calculation and waiting she don't check, say the governor of the state, Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola, he don't lie as per the money when he collect from federal government and the money when he spend. She talks saying 538 billion naira. I go talk am again because anything money matter, the thing they cause fear of our mind. 538 billion naira. Now in the federal government give Oga Rauf, and in country say now only 204 billion naira. A calculator do the plus or minus. Say it be like say money they miss. And the Osun State House of Assembly, they can set up panel, give them 2 weeks. Say may they look into the matter. And after the 2 weeks expire, EFCC can send letter, give the woman, say may she come talk her own side of the story. And moving forward, the panel don't talk, say everything when the woman talk, the thing no dey correct. Say the money when the governor collect, na me collect. The one when he don't say spend, na me spend. But as EFCC don't chook leg for inside the matter, we dey wait. Now waiting we discuss on Monday be that.
And on Tuesday we come here drop of bombshell with why. And who be this person who drop this bombshell? Now the former chief of defense staff, Oga Alex Badi. When he come out, come talk, say, I just they keep quiet since. But until say this thing don't reach this level, I must to speak, I will talk. And waiting with that way he talk, say, the last time, make that hear me, the last time, that is the last time Nigeria buy arms. That is, arms now. That is our arsenals. That's how we will upgrade our arsenals. Now in 2006. 2006. And I think that one not do there enough. You can't drop and down and say, the last time we will do it, we will buy fighting jet. That is a jet where they fly for up, where they, where they do assess battle from up. So now, in 1981, now we buy jet last. People come and say, hey, what is this? What is this? Why not they come and they talk like this? It means that the last time we buy jet and guns, now 2006 and 1981. What if all this is so? It means all these fighters are just they fight. They say that they go fight Boko Haram. Say nothing. Now just they take sticks. Say that they go fight them. No wonder where all these militaries where they send go fight, they will talk say no. Then they fight again. The people even talk say if that is the case, that everybody involved from that particular time, reach now should be probed. They make them question. They say, wait till now take all the security budget where they allocate to now. What now they can do? This is the questionable, so make them question them. So now what we'll talk about on Tuesday with that.
On Wednesday, 5th of August, we carry topic when we say, all the people who even chook man for the matter, they say, yes, this topic is the main topic. What do we discuss? We discuss corruption inside EFCC. Sorry, I make mistake. Corruption inside NNPC. Wetin the new Oga fit do? That one follow the action when we say our Oga Presido take. As he take appoint new Oga for the chair of the NNPC, that is the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation. And that person is Dr. Emmanuel Ibe Kachiku. Dr. Emmanuel Ibe Kachiku na person when we say, if na for book, he read book well. If na for experience, he don't gather am. I go need to talk am because it not be small thing. He studied law from the prestigious University of Nigeria when they for Nsukka, and he come out in flying colors. He can't go to the Nigerian Law School, can't come out with distinction. He can't go further, go carry masters and doctorate degree for Harvard school. When we say their school fees no be here, their teachers no be here, everything when they do there na correct. Oga President look at us say yes, you dey qualified and eminently so. I go speak English to come enter inside the NNPC, come pursue corruption. We go look and say corruption, e no sabi book, corruption no sabi experience, corruption no get six-pack inside Nigeria. Even one ogbonge professor for inside Nigeria, Professor Wole Soyinka, he call am say NNPC don turn cesspool of corruption inside Nigeria. And even governor of Kaduna State, Nasiru El-Rufai talk say, if we no kill NNPC, NNPC go kill us for inside this country. But Oga Presido, based on his experience, come to say, no, we will get a man that will come and change the face of NNPC. Now, why he carry the office give Dr. Emmanuel Ibe Kachiku? We can't draw our phone lines open, say, make una call, give am advice. And everybody advise that and say, the one when they send you, go do am. No look say, this man na my brother. No look say, this man na my sister. But do your work well, so that Nigeria go better. Added to that one, now the new Oga of the NCC, his name na Dr. So I say doctor, I don't know why they make mistake. Person when don't read book, reach the level when don't read the book, reach. You must give am the title. Professor Usman Dambata, I make mistake again. Professor Umaru Dambata, he don't read the book, reach the level when we say, they're going to say for electrical engineering and for anything we got to do with telecommunications, say him be senior, make him sit down there and make two of them change the face of NNPC and NCC. Now, what we discuss on Wednesday be that.
What did you chop this morning?
Waiting be waiting I chop this morning. Chop be waiting I chop this morning.
Which side of the bed
you no go sit down where you don't already they support your jaw. They come out inside frame. My friend, take your thoughts there
because which side of the bed you wake up from?
Take your thoughts there story. More throw phone lines open. People they send me message, they threaten me say we not agree take plenty calls again.
Okay, yes, our people. Before I not go join the line of Chuku the way just the through. Anyway, make I give now this story. Yes, the same person like I go describe him. One of the strong trumpet of the opposition party will be PDP.
How you go call am trumpet? You trumpet now people where they make noise. Oh.
No. Trumpet in they speak for the people.
You for call am mouthpiece, no call am trumpet. If could be. Hey.
Okay, either way, either trumpet or mouthpiece. One of the mouthpiece.
Call am mouthpiece.
One of the mouthpiece of the opposition party will be PDP. That is Oga Ayo Fayose.
Call his name with respect. Call his name full. Ayodele. Call him full.
Oga Ayo Fayose. Now wait now, call like concern you.
You cannot call him that.
I'm the one.
Now you be mama will give her the name. Call her his name full. Ayodele Fayose. Call him with respect.
Ayo Fayose. I still insist on that.
From today, I begin to call you Unku. Leave him like that. That's what I want to. I'll go begin to call you Unku.
Finish the story. Whether we just make mistake, call me Unku.
Make mistake, no complete the Ayodele. Whether I know call you Unku. I think Unku, but Unku or Unki. I will command the Unki.
You don't do me. I finish the story. Oga Ayodele Fayose.
If I not hear my cry.
Come talk say. Look, the way we are going about this matter, Oga President, the way we are going about this matter, say you want probe their government. Say if you like now with chance, so if you like say you carry them for mind before you even come into the system, say you want come probe them. Say if you want probe, if you want do it, if you want checkmate or probe anything, make you start from the people where put you inside government.
Bam.
What's me that? Now why they hit them for me now?
Sorry, I just dey support the thing when you
talk.
No
support. Now they talk. No, what they support that for?
Okay, no verse. Continue.
He said make you start from in-house. That is the people who invest into in election, who support financially fund in election. Make it start from there because unto say, look, before you say they look into another person's eye, make you first clean, make you first clean your eye well. So you go feel get the clarity, the view, to feel see person come out the dirty with day for another person's eye. And other people come look and say, look, what is all this? What is meaning of all this? Oga Muhammad Buhari, we they talk about, he took over from a federal level, say, na national, this thing, na national responsibility now it take. And the person will hand over to them. Make you also check, assess, okay, how this person perform. So that you go know whether you do right, or be something they missing for the system. Why people come talk say, no good like that, oh. Say, start out from your house. The moment you start out from your house, we go know say, yes, true. Ezioku, low. Say you won't fight corruption. Now what we'll talk about yesterday will be Thursday with that.
So there will be Friday, excuse me.
Chukudi,
never you cut me when I dey talk.
Chukudi.
Never you cut me.
No, you cut me when I dey talk, when they hit table for me. What do you make you hit table for me?
I don't let you finish.
What do you make you hit that table for that?
Excuse me.
Not deliberate.
Let me finish before you cut me, the cut when you want cut. Me, I don't forget what I want talk.
Chukudi.
No, they call my name. I'll call you Nkubi back, or if you call me, I call your name.
Okay.
Our people went there for house. We go through our phone lines open because on Friday, as soon Nkubi don't talk. Now the Jollof edition. We know say plenty people there when we say they don't they try their phone since Monday, but based on say una love us and una they call to chukma for on top of this matter. The phone lines they be like say not be everybody they enter. But today quickly we go just throw the phone lines open, make it call chukma for inside the matter. I beg 90 seconds. We they take one people, we know they take other people, and we want to use this opportunity thank all the people who o'clock they know they miss as in the hot. All the people when they carry their credit to shower them on top of us to contribute for this matter so that the full Nigeria go here and take the necessary action. All our callers them, if I begin to mention una name, plus the ones where we say we never hear from for some time, even though they still they try. If I call they call names, it go be like say I they call some people, I know call some people.
And plus one say we say then they try, but they never still enter. But one day they will still see, they will still reach us.
Thank you very much. Based on say Oga Jonah come give us freedom of information. Why everybody?
Why you add that one to them?
Now still part of
No. Why you add that one to them now? Tell me why you add them. Well, how you take credit to Chetina talk?
Okay, who give us freedom of information?
No, now we discuss freedom of information here.
But if they follow for one
they talk about people where they call our viewers say they call, and the people where don't call us for long. I say also you get people who say they don't try, but they never feel connect. So those people say until they connect, say we also they tag them. Why you can't bring in freedom of information into that matter?
Nkubi, if you try to marry the finest girl for your village.
Don't give me that kind of example. No way, I don't want it. I don't want it. No.
Money go there at the end of the example. Oh. Money go there at the end of the example.
I don't trust you.
You don't trust me.
The way they look your eye, these are your two eyes. I don't trust you.
I don't trust you too.
Me,
I don't trust you.
I don't ever trust you.
I don't ever. I don't even feel trust you.
I don't trust you.
Because
the very day when I set my eyes on you, I say, this man, you.
You see, the only reason why you don't go say you don't trust me is because say you dey jealous. You know why?
Jealous of waiting.
They go church, you know they go.
Who tells you they go church?
Nkubi, which day they go? Which day be church day? No be Sunday.
Sundays, eh?
No be you. They always they play reggae music for on Sunday.
And there you fail am.
They fail am.
I no be strong fan of reggae.
Oh, you no be strong.
I dey listen to reggae, but I no be strong fan of reggae.
Fan. But you be fan. Fan dey there.
Somehow. But I no be strong fan.
But who they play reggae from your room every morning?
You know whether na my neighbor?
Which your neighbor from your room?
You know whether na my neighbor? You know whether na Tunde?
Nkubi, God go catch you.
God go catch you too.
Everybody go see everything.
They go first see am from your end.
This country when we dey so. When I be say author of this show, I dey always dey speak the truth. Indeed. When we say people know say I dey speak out for Nigerians. Even though una dey try cover us, make we know they talk. Based on the freedom of information, when we say President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan give us for this country, when we say all of us they talk am. Nkubi, you know it. You will not be here today if not be freedom of information. You know as the thing they be before now.
I'm not going to be here. I'll go still day here to at least to address issues.
But you know go fit talk some kind of issue. Not be we there here they call names, they mention.
Hold on, Joe. You don't do it. Victor they call us. Just respect yourself. Make you just act like gentlemen. Make you collect this call from Victor. Good morning, Victor. Victor, good morning.
Make I begin from the least one.
Okay.
Yesterday on.
Okay.
Where Oga Fayose talk.
Okay.
Truth. The truth. You both say charity begins at home. You dey hear them?
We dey hear.
Charity begins at home. If person carry him pikin, show example, say he no want to tolerate nonsense. If he beat pikin where they come from outside, people no go complain. Nigeria be one kind country where religion, where person come from, and every other thing they play out. So if whatever we are doing, those things they count very well. But if you come from inside, carry from your inside, they show example, people no go complain. So if Oga Buhari go carry those from his party, we corrupt, where everybody know, person will say he build a hospital, how many $1 million? That place, they never even clear the ground. Do you understand? So immediately, if that one, he never refute them. Do you understand? If he do them, people go know. Do you understand?
With the year.
We hear you.
So the second thing where I want to talk now concerning Oga Katia, the new NNPC guy.
Okay, Kachuku.
One thing we must do to promote monkey hand for our petroleum industry, make government remove hand from importing fuel, remove hand from refining fuel, make they give license to ordinary people, make they refine fuel, competition go day, job go day. Do you understand? And there, this so-called corruption, because government bureaucracy, in as much as bureaucracy day, corruption go follow for back. So make government remove hand. For Alex Bade, the thing where I go talk there, they say, may they prosecute them for crime against humanity. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Victor from Zamfara. You don't make very, very important points. In don't talk and finish. And surprisingly, everything when I talk this week, now he agree with. So even I beat you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday again, you still they collect cane. Who could be?
Now no say you be criminal. In fact, you're a big fat liar.
Fat liar.
Oga Ochuko, they call us. Good morning, Oga Ochuko from Ilorin. Ochuko from Ilorin, good morning. Ochuko.
Why you they call his name anyhow?
Hold on.
You know whether na Ochuko. Which one be Ochuko? We know whether na Ochuko.
They call him like Igbo man.
You know whether na.
I had a friend back then in school, like girlfriend, they be Ochuko.
But if you own name Ochuko.
Ochuko, good morning.
Sam.
Blah say the communication.
Which communication? Why we don't even get new Oga for NCC? Which communication? You go call people name. You go if he be doctor. If he be Dr. Ochuko,
you see doctor for him before his name.
If why
you see doctor before his name?
You see Oga before his name.
In fact, it's a Friday. Respect yourself.
You don't tire.
No, respect yourself.
Don't tell me to respect myself.
Respect yourself.
I always respect myself.
I no can they claim one kind of result. I
always respect myself.
No, don't respect yourself.
Not they point me finger. If you point me, I'll point you back.
Now one are they warn you.
You cannot warn me. You now cannot warn me.
Oga Polycarp, just hold on there. Hold on. Oga Polycarp, good morning.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp. Good morning, sir.
Please, let me celebrate this weekend by peace. I want to offer you.
Yes, we'll go try.
The doctor why I want to choke my mouth is this is a bad issue. Because that day where that man talked that thing, my belly just get angry with it. Right now we are enjoying more improvement in power supply. The other thing just within 1 month where Buhari from 1910 just and lay the foundation for that power. Maybe some of the people where they work for him, sabotage the effort, and make him the light not the day, but at least in improving. Now, going to the issue of this budget, I am calling for the being arrested accounted for treason and deception. Because he has been in this country. He's there. He's supposed to give Jonathan credit or advice on what he will do.
Yes.
Yesterday, I was going through the internet. I checked through Nigeria.com. I found the story where they mention about all the arms where Jordan procure. So many of them even don't find trucks where to fit even past the place where they mine they know they saw the truck. I also saw helicopters. I also saw even some armored carriers, both with these tanks. All the others from Russia. Many of them have arrived, and many of them have not arrived. And that is this thing. And they say that these equipment they take hold the Boko Haram the way make them know the stop during the election. So that is why that time we talk if Buhari can ask Jonathan, that's the way they use, so that they continue to use that is to hold these people. So they're not going to keep the people as they're putting nowadays. So all this is, better to not, I know it's better not to talk about it. Because even that money where they can go to South Africa, where they see, it is there, you know about it. You cannot buy arms without the chief of the defense staff, nobody know about it. Because he's the person in charge of that ministry, or another section of the Nigeria. So he should be accountable for anything when he talk, because he's in Nigeria. I don't know if Ghana don't try as well as that the program of arms. Then I was like, South Africa sit there and show with him, buying Nigeria and buying this and that. Whereas, one way you don't buy through Jonathan, never arrive completely. Now he's trying to paint Jonathan like say he's the worst person in Nigeria. Then I got his own turn, I've gone away. Buhari will improve on what he does, and we're looking for peace in Nigeria.
Yes.
Thank you all.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Polycarp,
Oga
at least for
Polycarp.
that contribution of yours. Yes, we get Andy. Andy, they call us from Enugu. Good morning, Andy. Andy.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Ngobi, good morning.
Good morning.
Ngobi, I do like you, Ngobi.
Thank you very much.
How about your colleague Chukudi?
Say
I did well.
In the year.
Hello now. You don't know why they follow this solar program.
Thank you very much, sir.
I say make I just hello now. I no want to matter. I no want to matter into this matter. But I say make I hello now.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You do well.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oga Andy, as you just sit down, they observe. I beg continue to they observe. But it is very, very important, say, as we don't get this platform to they speak out, based on the freedom of information, when we say, good luck, Ebele Jonathan give us for this country, it is important, say, make everybody the chook mouth for the matter, because Nigeria concern us, and all of us get this our country. We go rush, enter market. When we go this market, come back, we'll continue our discussion of all the ogbonge tori when we chook mouth on top for this week when pass. So from Monday, go reach yesterday, when be Thursday. Call, chook mouth for the matter, and talk am as it dey hot, we dey come back.
If una know say una just enjoy the video, they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.